Oh.
They just keep scaring each other away from it when it happens.
Nice. Whoa.
He's going for a run.
Yeah. Oh, nice one, Keith. I got a little guy.
Woo!
Oh, yeah, Keith. That's what, 13? Nice one, Keith. Nice one. You took my fish, you little bugger.
Close that damn gill plate, homie. Stop. This guy didn't even look that big on the camera.
Oh.
He's 11.
Really?
Yeah.
Shit, I thought he was bigger than mine. All because I wanted to smoke a pipe in the tent.
Yeah, you're not allowed.
Another one. Nice one. Yeah. Please. Really?
It's funny, this was a keeper yesterday.
I threw one over there.
What was he just trying to eat? Oh, that was me.
What are you using?
My little tiny thing.
He's a slim one. He's a slim 11. He must be a male.
Well, you'll know if you squeeze him and he starts...
Yeah. Yeah, he just squeezes his belly.
He's a 10.
Yeah.
These are bigger ones. They knew the camera was on.
Oh, I had a bite.
Am I wrapped up in you, maybe? No. Okay. Heard a weird noise in my reel when I was reeling there.
Oh, yeah?
He was like, wow. You got two giants looking at you.
I just can't see my phone there.
Hey, you're there. Nice.
Oh. He's a fucking tank. He is a tank.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's fucking huge. Oh, yeah.
Holy shit. Beauty.
He's the board keeper.
Okay.
He's got to be 10. So he liked that.
It's another big one right
He
here.
liked that little tail. Nice curly worm tail.
Uh-huh.
Nice red one.
He's coming to you. I think he sees you dropping. Yeah, he ate.
I didn't even see it.
Yeah, I saw your lure disappear. He's burning himself. Holy shit. Oh, it's on selfie mode. He just spit out a... You got bait!
We got some bait! Holy, he's huge.
I got dinks looking at me. Oh, look at that one.
Oh, nice.
I might have snagged. He feels tiny.
Yeah, compared to the last ones. You should take a picture of yours now. That's funny.
I didn't even check if I actually snagged him or not.
No way. He's like, can't even measure. Probably 5 inches.
Literally looks like a Rapala.
Yeah.
Rapala, I mean.
Oh, lure.
Actually, the coloring's more like a Berkeley perch color.
Okay.
You got 8. So you just have that on a jig head, eh?
Yeah. I took a piece of that tail off the
Yeah, the big worm. Holy shit.
Stay still. Now I won't open this.
No picture today.
Come on. Water. Oh, I was supposed to measure. Oh, yeah.
12.
Oh, 212. Double header.
This one's so heavy. Mine's bigger.
Well, that's like 12 or 13.
That is huge. Okay, there we are. Didn't even need the pliers. It's a little too skinny, I think, eh?
Yeah.
I was in his mouth for a good second or two. Swimming to you.
Is he? He's a big one too, I think, eh? Oh yeah, he's moving the camera there. Oh, hurry up, grab that fucker.
Woo. Jesus. Gotta flex on Snapchat. His tail.
Oh, Matt. Hey, Matt! Where the fuck are you? You're missing out.
These aren't the big ones.
No.
No. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, you can get it. You can get it. Get it. Get it. Yeah. No, try again. Do it again. Do it again. You got it. One more time. He's not big though.
I wasn't sure if he did or not, but
Yeah.
I couldn't see the hook anywhere, so I think he's got it. Oh shit! Oh, he must
Was
have
that me?
tangled my line.
Yeah, I think he wrapped us.
Maybe you should leave him down there and just let him flash around.
Your line should be back down now.
Yeah, it is. Woohoo!
They see you. Does the camera see you? Oh, they are.
Oh. I thought he had it for you there.
He spit it so fast. Did that big one just try to get you? This one's coming to you. Oh,
yeah.
Holy shit.
Oh, I lost him.
Oh,
Nice.
I'm stuck in the damn slush.
Oh
He's sitting nice. He's just been sitting there.
11.5?
Yeah. Did my lure fall? Oh yeah. Come on, buddy. They seem to love mine right now.
Yeah.
Holy, he ran. I'm wrapped up in the camera though.
You got me too, I think.
You and the camera?
Yeah.
Oh, that's my deucer. Shit.
Uh-oh. You want me to hold your rod?
No. Just can't get this hook out. Oh, Dad, you're pulling on me. That's why.
Oh, fuck, I'm tangled on all rods. Sorry.
You almost hooked me.
I thought I had a fish on this one. I was like, what the hell? Sorry. Alright.
I was wondering why it wasn't coming up, because the transducer would come up if that happened, right?
Where are we?
I don't know. The background looks the same, so... Did you fall down again, or you caught on my hole, maybe?
I'm trying to figure that out.
Yeah, because mine's still here. You just might be just to the left. You're not.
No, it's just... I think that's the big one.
It was a huge one, yeah. Almost to 12.
Kind of short now. I want to see if that helps.
Just might.
Nice one.
No.
You think?
Nothing crazy. Oh, what? Must have been swimming with me.
Yeah.
Open up, bud.
Yeah, I think shortening just a little better. This one's full, right?
What?
Uh-oh. This one. Whoa. 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 Oh, it didn't measure.
Was it a big one?
He's big enough. Good 11 or 12, yeah, easy.
Yeah, eh?
It's like your last
Oh.
one. Oh.
Yeah, he just missed me.
Nice one.
Yeah. It's coming back. Oh, they want you. Good one. He's swimming with me. It's nice when they do that.
Yeah.
He's not nice actually, but... $10, maybe? Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It kind of just looks like they're strolling through, though. But they're huge, man. But they can't hit because they're not used to this cloudiness. Shit. There we go. It's probably the smallest one that we've seen on the screen in a second, in the last little bit. See, it's not big.
No. But they want this. They're looking at the Verada, though, Rod.
I have a smaller one. I was trying to turn the camera back to you right before I reeled.
Yeah, I'm like, I think I'm drawing them in or something. You're hooking them.
Teamwork makes the dream work, and I'm tangled up in my other line. I almost threw him back. Nice.
Yeah, he's just over 11.
Nice.
11 and a half.
Yeah, yeet. I can smell that chili too. Oh, you want to give it a rotate? Woo! The top's really hot now too.
Well, just,
I can't see the fill line.
this here. Okay.
Meh.
Yeah. Oh, he's a big winner.
Oh, crap. Yeah. Still just the 12 or so.
He look big, eh?
We can't beat this 12, eh?
Oh.
Yeah. Whoa.
Brought it off, and all of a sudden a bunch of fish started showing up. What the hell? Little one?
Yeah, he's not as big. Not nearly as big.
And you're using the silver?
No.
Using red still?
No.
Yeah,
Well,
it's like silver.
clear.
Yeah.
Well, it's a glow color or whatever, so. Bro is like, what's his deal? I saw a video that Matt sent me yesterday.
Yeah.
If they don't release well, you can hold their gills shut and blow in their mouth, and then let them go, and then they'll be fine apparently.
Oh, I see.
Give them a shot of oxygen. Except this CO2. Oh man, big ones. It's no 12, probably 10.
9.
Yeah, maybe a 9.
That's like
8.5.